Good morning, children. Today I will teach you a pact with the sun. The last part of the first paragraph of the first part. Ray used the chance to look closely at the man paying attention to the shape of a gun and a restless hand in man's right coat pocket. Now Ray used the chance to look closely at the man paying attention to the shape of the gun and a restless hand in the man's right coat pocket. Anger boiled within him, but it was kept down by the inner voice that said. Now he got angry about it, and then he got inner voice which was telling him to be still. He wrote on the notepad, "May I help you?" For the first time, the older man looked directly at Ray and smiled, a cruel, mocking smile. Now, when he wrote on the notepad that "May I help you?" the man smiled at him. They both understood why he was there, why his friend remained at the door. Both of them understood why they were there and why one of them he stood at the door. They looked like men who were down on their luck and were now ready to try something they would later be sorry about. And he came to know that those men who were on their luck, down on their luck, and were now ready to try something they would later be sorry about. Later on, they would be sorry about. Ray knew that his visitor are in need. Ray came to know that his visitor are in need. He accepts an old watch in exchange for a good sum of money. Now he accepted the old watch, and in return he gave money to those people. The message of peace and goodwill spreads everywhere as the old clock chime Merry Christmas. Now the clock ticked on. Ray calmly wrote another message. "Have you come to pick up a clock or watch?" Then he pointed to the lone board filled with hanging clocks. Now he asked them that, "Do you want clock or watch?" And then he pointed to the board filled hanging clocks and pocket watches. He was now a pawnbroker. Now, but at the same time, couldn't say no to the needy people who placed their old watches or clocks before him. Now he was like a pawnbroker, means people used to give them their anything, and in return they got money from him. So, and he helped in this way, he helped the needy people who placed their watches or clocks before him for anything they could get. He loaned more than he should. They would be there when the owners wanted them back, and then he returned the things to the owner when they wanted them back at the same price he had paid with no interest. Now in this way, at the same price, he gave back the things to the owner with no interest. In this way, he was helping the people. Now up till here only. Next in the next video.